Well, back home on the Lal Street, the Nifty recovered nearly 1% from lows to end just shy of that 10,700 mark. Sensex closed more than 150 points in the green, while the mid-caps traded in line with the benchmark indices, with the index ending with gains of 0.5%. The banks ended with the gain of around 0.3%. Now let's go across to Sonia Chana, who is joining us with the cues that are set up for trade this morning. Sonia, good morning. There's not much to complain for the bulls this morning.
Yes, there isn't. In fact, a lot of positive cues. The markets have been inching higher for 3 straight days now. And this morning as well, global cues are positive. The Dow was up in the green. There's an expectation of a trade truce between the US and China, and that has kept markets quite buoyant. Even for our own markets, crude has resumed a downtrend. It fell yesterday, although this morning it's slightly higher, but it's still around that $60 per barrel mark. And for us, it's been a third straight day of buying, both from FIs and DIIs, so that's the positive. FIs bought 800 crores in the cash markets yesterday. DIIs bought about 30 odd crores, and the Nifty ended above that 50-day moving average as well. This buy on dip strategy remains intact, although it has been a few very volatile days. It's F&O expiry tomorrow as well. Let's see which way things go. We also have the added benefit of the rupee appreciation. So yesterday, despite a volatile day, the rupee by the end appreciated to about 70.79 or so. The outperformance with respect to emerging markets continues. So in November so far, the MSCI India index is now up 7% versus the MSCI Asia and emerging market index up about 1.5 to 3 odd percent. So let's see the SGX Nifty also indicating a positive start.
All right, Sonia, so that's about trade setup. What about the stocks you're looking at?
Well, there was quite a bit of delivery-based buying and a lot of heavyweights yesterday. So Infosys saw 500 crores of delivery buying. HDFC Bank saw 500 crores of delivery buying. You could see some pressure in Lupin today because the CFO, Ramesh Swaminathan, has resigned. So, there could be some turmoil over there. PSU banks could be in focus. The Finance Ministry has said that there's no plan to infuse any more than the budgeted capital into PSU banks. So remember, some of these banks have rallied in anticipation of additional capital. Maybe there could be some pressure there. Moody's has downgraded Yes Bank's rating to negative, so that stock could continue to be under pressure. And Bharti Airtel news reports indicating that the company will raise 15,000 crores in equity, and they're planning a 30,000 crore war chest in 3 tranches. These, of course, are reports, so perhaps Bharti Airtel could be in focus as well.
Okay, thank you so much, Sonia, for that list. So a lot of stock-specific action may be lined up for the day ahead in terms of Yes Bank, Lupin and the likes.